Hello and welcome everyone to the beautiful course of Operating System for Beginners. My name is Imran. I'm a software engineer and you can find me at imranhsayed on Twitter. So what is operating system? Well, operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. For example, DOS, Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. You might be aware about these operating systems as well. Even on mobile, you have the operating systems that you use, such as Android, and on iPhones, you have iOS. So it's basically a system software. So in a computer system, we find four main components. First is the hardware. So as you can see, we have the hardware here. Then we have the operating system, right? And the application software and the user. So the operating system manages all of the software and the hardware on the computer and controls the execution of the user's program.